Hello and welcome to HOBA Tech. In this video we teach you about the hype or myth about the latest trend. To be or not to be, truly paperless. You might have heard, the new wave of completely paperless is here. But first, before we start trying to solve that problem, what we like to do on any transformation we lead with our own clients as well as teach our students is look at the first problem. What happens when we start any transformation? The client will present their problem they want solved, but what that is often the symptom of the problem, not the source of the problem. What we have to do is get to the root cause of the problem. To do that, to get the source of the problem, you have to ignore the noise and get down to the source, what is causing the problem, and address the problem there. What happens in the business transformation world is often the uninitiated, tasked with solving big organization-wide problems, is they start at the first problem they see or hear. That is wrong. That just wastes time, money and causes missed opportunities relieving a short-term pain, for the problem to manifest and mutate into something bigger and more sinister later on. So, the first question here is to ask, is truly paperless even possible, before we even get into, and then if so, we ask the next question, now we know or don't know if is possible, how would you implement it? So, the answer to the first question is truly paperless even possible? No, sorry technology stakeholders and suppliers. We know you would like us to say a profound yes, so then you can pitch or push you shiny new object. That shiny new object is industry speak for sounds great but completely untested, we're not even sure there is some or a lot of business value in it, but it looks amazing. A shiny new object is completely meaningless to the business, but that technology folk hope that once the marketing department get their hands on it, they are wrap it up in beautiful marketing, and pretty presentations that would make the late Steve Jobs proud, and be a top seller. No. We're joking. Well, half joking actually. We're joking about the technology suppliers, sort of. We're not joking about that not possible to go completely paperless. No, it's not possible to be completely paperless. Unless your suppliers and customers are also completely paperless, or at least paperless for and with you, but you can get pretty close though. Some customers still insist on paper receipts. Some companies want wet signatures on their documentation, and even sometimes some people leave their mobile phones at home, so requiring paper as the fallback, if full paperless is not available, will be still required. So, why has this truly paperless question come up? The business and consumer response to the latest COVID-19 restrictions, people working from home, mostly, not able to attend work or office, everything is done online, except when it isn't. The debate of whether businesses should fully initiate a switch to a paperless environment has been around for quite some time, but due to COVID-19, going paperless is very topical right now, as companies have switched to almost full remote mode. There are a lot of benefits of going fully paperless, or close to it. We won't got into detail here, we covered in a previous video, with the main ones being a potential reduction in carbon footprint from reduced paper making required, and improved customer service, having everything in one place, online, shareable and backed up, but it's not without its drawbacks, like greater dependency on technology, which in itself can be burdensome with related health issues like eye strain, and migraines from extended time looking at the computer and phone screen. So, if you could go truly paperless, how would you go about it? Here are the 3 steps to go truly paperless. Step 1: Identify why do you want to conduct this transformation. First step is, like we said at the start of this video, how we like to run our transformations for our own clients, is identify and agree the cause and need for truly paperless. According to statistics, 50% of business waste is paper. Considering the high proportion of annual business waste, it sets a notion that the usage of paper in businesses is an area that needs new and improved strategies. If you are concerned about wasteful use of resources that produce that waste, that is one thing. But if you are concerned about the environment, that is another. Because with every solution comes a cost. If you decide to go truly paperless, it will cost you time, effort and money, and if it doesn't go well, that is time, effort and money that could be spent elsewhere, like on money-making activities that could offset the cost that generated that wasted paper in the first place, for example. Step 2: Identify how you can perform this transformation. In business transformation, the 2 big questions need asking and answering. The first is why do you need it, address above, and how are you going to implement it? There are some common key activities you can implement to help with your truly paperless journey. The common low-hanging fruit activities include implementing cloud storage, initiate paperless meetings, switching to digital receipts, using e-signatures, and to help with the budget and cost outlay, to lease expensive equipment. Step 3: How to deal with the change. Now you have justified your why you need to change, and how, you need a comprehensive end-to-end business-led business transformation process to implement it, and that includes a business design that addresses the pain points the business is suffering today, that they want to have solved, and a comprehensive pragmatic implementation plan to realize both the physical business design, but the planned business benefits as well. The mistake with business transformation today, or with organizations that want to go digital, is they focus on the technology only without addressing or changing the two areas that the new technology is there to support, the people, and processes. This is why business transformations that implement new digital technologies have a high failure rate, 70% failure rate in fact. Check out our website at www.HOBA Tech framework for our 6-step business transformation method that is trusted by the UK government and used by thousands around the world to successfully set up and turn around their business transformations. Here are some highlights you want to consider with your implementation to make it a success. Develop a clear vision of the future for the organization your people can get behind. Ensure your governance processes and framework is clear, easy to understand and use, and doesn't slow down the process, but speeds it up. Identify, call out, and have agreed the current state of the organization and what pain points you are explicitly addressing, and for whom. Qualify and quantify the business benefits, financial and non-financial, you intend to realize for the organization from the transformation, and show your client and organization early what the end looks like, that is the target operating model (TOM), and how through the work you do with them will help build up both that description and definition of what it looks like, but how you will implement it too. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you are in a good mood, leave a rating and review to show your support, and let us know in the comments below what you would like to see next. Before you go, don't forget to sign up and get your free gift, the 6 Steps to Business Transformation Success ebook, covering the 6-step Agile Business Transformation Framework trusted by the UK government, FTSE 100 and fast-growing companies to set up and turn around their transformations, and join the top 30% of organizations that make business transformation a success, first time, on time, and not join the 70% that fail. Get daily, weekly, or monthly view of task timelines with drag and drop feature.